Teaching isn't just about delivering lessons, it's about inspiring minds, shaping future, and making a difference. So, what makes a great teacher? Whether you are a new educator or you are looking to improve your teaching skills, stick around as we'll be exploring the key traits of a great teacher. And at the end, I'll be telling you my secret, which I have implemented over the course of last 11 years, that will surely help you to become a great teacher. Great teachers lead by example, and it starts being punctual, arriving on time in your scheduled class and being prepared. Being consistent in that is one of the sure short way of inspiring the seriousness in your students who will always follow your lead and arrive your class in time. This consistency and reliability will definitely help to build the positive tone in your classroom. The best teacher knows education isn't just about books and exam. It's about building a connection. Build strong relationships with your students by listening to them, showing them empathy, and making them feel valued. As and when they become comfortable, they will start listening to you and give importance to you, and they will also feel free to come to you with their problems. When the students feel comfortable, they are more likely to engage and learn. Nobody likes a one-way didactic boring lecture class. Use creative teaching methods like role play, some storytelling, some hands-on experiment. The more engaged your students are, the more likely they will retain and enjoy the learning process. Not all students learn the same way. Some are good visual learners, some learn by doing, and others prefer listening. So please adapt your teaching styles to ensure to meet needs of all the students so that no one is left behind. Encouraging critical thinking is very important. A great teacher does not only give answers to the questions, but he actually asks the right questions to evoke that critical thinking in your students. Encourage students to think critically, solve problems, and explore ideas on their own. This will definitely prepare them for success beyond the classroom. Patience is the key, and you should know that every student has got their own pace of learning. So instead of rushing, encourage every student, celebrate their success, and remind them that mistakes are just the stepping stones of learning. I always throw a question on a new topic whenever I'm starting the class just to see how many students are raising their hands. And I always encourage them, it's okay to just speak out, because if you are saying wrong answers at the start of the class without knowing the topic, it is okay, because it's my job to teach you the topic, and at the end of the class I expect you to all answer it correctly. Great teachers never stop learning. We are in fact lifelong learners. Stay updated with the new teaching strategies, technology, and educational trends. The more you grow, the better you can support your students. Your classroom should be a safe space where students feel motivated to learn. A positive environment fosters creativity, confidence, and respect among the students. Passion is contagious. If you love what you teach, your students will love it too. Show enthusiasm, bring energy to your classes, and inspire the students to be curious learners. Being a great teacher isn't about perfection, it's about passion, dedication, and bringing a difference in your students' lives. Often is said a great teacher is born. While that is true, many are gifted with the natural teaching skills, communication skills, but practice makes you perfect. I have been fortunate enough to attend lectures of many great teachers, and they have such an aura that without even following all these tips and tricks that I've told you, were able to hook me for hour long with full attention, and this is their charm. And if you have made it this far to the video, let me tell you my secret. What I do is I also keep track of what other teachers are teaching in the curriculum, so that whenever students feel bored or whenever I feel they have gotten somewhere detached from my topic, I always bring up a lesson which has been taught by any anatomy teacher, physiology teacher, and I have seen that evokes a lot of response among them. But for that you have to work hard. You need to make sure what things are going on. You need to interact with the students in order to know what topics are being covered. You need to have a good interaction with other departments, and this is a great way to bring back students and make them feel interested that wow, everything is connected, right? And this makes not only you special, it will make the whole curriculum feel special and integrated in their perspective. So I hope this video will be a starting point in your teaching journey, and it will definitely help you to become a good teacher if you try to follow all the things that I have mentioned. If you are following these tips, you are already a great teacher, and it is your duty to share the word, spread the word. So please share this video with your juniors, with your colleagues who might need some hand holding in order to become a great teacher. And as per the channel trend, if you have watched this video till now, please type the code word great teacher in the comment section, and I will know how many of you are actually watching till the end. I wish you all the very best in your teaching journey. Go and try something awesome. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.